Welcome to how to see saved posts tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to see saved posts on Twitter. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to go to any posts that you like and then click the save button as you see on the right down corner. I will click this too and this one. Then go back to the home screen and then click on your profile picture on the top left corner. Then you will see the bookmarks in the middle. Click on it and then here you are in the saved posts or in the bookmarks. You can see your old saved posts and all of it is here. Also you can clear any saved posts from here. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.